So let's talk about skincare that you should be following when you are in your 30s or 40s to maintain your healthy skin. So I always say to my patients that skin minimalism is the best thing that you can opt for. Never use too many products in one go because they can worsen your skin barrier and can worsen your skin conditions. So the basic rule that everyone, any age group should follow is not skipping on your sunscreen and not skipping on your moisturizer. So when you are in your 30s, the basic changes that occur according to the ages, you start getting more wrinkles, your collagen starts to break down, and your skin becomes more and more dehydrated and more dull. So yes, using a good sunscreen is the first important step, and then using a moisturizer is also important. So what you can start with, you can use an antioxidant serum in the morning, which could be a vitamin C, which could be a niacinamide, which could even you can use a hyaluronic acid if your skin is very dry. Top it up with a good moisturizer depending on what kind of skin you have. You have oily skin, you have a combined skin, or you have very dry or irritated skin. Then use a sunscreen. Also, the sunscreen usage depends again on your requirement, like whether you have oily skin, you have a lot of pores, or you have a very dry skin, and or if you want a tint on a regular basis, you can also opt for a tinted sunscreen or a mineral based sunscreen. Then coming on to the night routine, when you are in your 30s, as I told you, the collagen starts to break down, you start getting wrinkles, you start getting fine lines. So using a retinol is important. If you are pregnant or you are planning pregnancy, or if you are breastfeeding, then you should skip on to the retinol. You can use something which is a plant based, works like a retinol, helps in collagen building, is bakuchi oil. उसके अलावा आप क्या यूज कर सकते हैं, उसके अलावा पेप्टाइड्स यूज कर सकते हैं which are safe in all the age groups and also have a slight anti-aging action as well. Then always I say to my patient, don't skip again the moisturizer at night. You can use, there are a lot of moisturizers available in the market which have various combinations, ceramides, oat based, depending on whether you have very dry or irritated skin. So use this. And if you want like a customized skincare according to your skin type, you can go to your dermatologist, build a good skincare. Other thing that you can follow besides all these is you can go for AHA, BHA based solutions. You can use it not more than once a week. What they do is they help in exfoliating the dead skin and also improve the penetration of the active ingredients that you're already using. So if you want certain product recommendations, you can follow us for more. Thank you.